Hello there, my slay baes, and welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Makeuptwinn, and today I thought it'd be cool to kind of just do a quick little test out kind of video. I've been seeing this viral hack going around with the new way to clean your beauty blenders, so I thought it'd be kind of cool to test it out to see if it really works. So I'm not exactly too sure who started this or where exactly it came from. I tried to do my research and track it down, but I honestly couldn't, so I do apologize for that. But with this new hack, all you essentially do is you put your beauty blenders in the microwave. You don't just plop it in the microwave. You have to put it in some water with some soap, and apparently it's supposed to clean these bad boys out. These technically aren't beauty blenders, they're beauty sponges, but as you can obviously see, they're filthy. So I got these from the dollar store, so if it doesn't even work out, it's not that big of a deal. It's not that deep. I'm not going to be that upset about it because I can just literally walk to the dollar store and pick up some more. So I thought it'd be kind of cool to test these out on inexpensive sponges. So let's do this. Let's take this test, see if it passes and if it's approved. So essentially all you need to do this is a cup. This is going to be my cup, and you just need soap, so whatever soap you prefer. The soap I'm going to be using is the Dawn Helps Save Wildlife, because who doesn't want to help save a life? Anywho, so you just fill this up with water. So I think I'm going to do maybe 2 cups of it, put a little smash of this in, and let's see. I'm going to put 2 of these bad boys in to really see. So I'm just going to plop them in, and I'm going to let them squeeze them so they get a little bit of the water in, and gross. Okay, into the microwave it goes. Okay. Let's see if this worked. Okay, so right off the bat, I can already see that there's still product. The water's just warm, but okay, yeah. I guess I got some of the product off, but I don't really know. Let's try adding a little bit more soap and a little bit more water and see how that turns out. This is what the water looks like now, really gloopy and gross. I don't even know if gloopy is a word, but that's what it's looking like. So let's add a little plop of this. See if that does anything. Mix it around a little bit. Let's add a little bit more water. So I added more water and more soap, made sure the sponges are submerged. So let's see. Take 2. Let's see what we can do. Okay, so this is after the second go, and it kind of worked. But you could see that there's still makeup on it. And there's still soap in there, so maybe I'm doing this wrong, but it worked kind of. I'm gonna just clean these out and show you guys more thoroughly if this really worked or not. There you have it, microwave beauty hack, beauty blender tested. These are how the beauty blenders are looking like after I squeezed the life out of them, squeezed all the guts. As you can see, there's still some makeup on it, but you definitely do see the color. There's life back into it. I would say though that this got maybe 75 to maybe 80% of the makeup off of the beauty sponges, so I'm actually super duper impressed. Definitely way less work than what I normally would to clean them, so I'm happy with that. Check mark. There you have it. That's a wrap. That's all we have for today. Quick little video for the Sunday, lazy day, you know, Sunday fun day. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want, you don't have to, but I would like you to, click that subscribe button and that bell with it so you get notified when your favorite uploads a video. All right guys, I will see you on Wednesday. Till then, take care guys.